Hey guys, listen up. If you're rocking the MJX Hyper Go 14,301 or 14,302, I've got the ultimate upgrade for you. XILEZQF 60mm off-road rubber tires are total game changers for your RC car. Let me tell you why. First off, the grip is next level. Whether you're clearing up your path, tackling rough terrain, or even hitting some wet surfaces, these tires hold up like nothing else. You'll notice immediate improvement in cornering stability and overall control. No more sliding around when you hit those turns. They're made from high-quality rubber that's built to last, so you can bash hard without worrying about wear and tear. The aggressive tread pattern chews through loose gravel and mud, giving you confidence to push your Hyper Go to the limit. Plus, they're a perfect fit, so installation is a breeze. No complicated modifications. But once you slap these on, you'll wonder how you ever do it with this stock tire. Your RC car will handle better, look neater, and perform like these. Don't just take my word for it. Click the link below to check them out. Your off-road adventure